Okay, we're here at this Ford backhoe. It's a 68 Ford 4400 diesel. Got some work to do with it. And I don't know where to set you guys up. Let's see a minute here. That's down below. I think right there, to be honest with you. I don't know what you guys are going to be able to see, if anything. But I'm going to try and start this backhoe with no ether. We have some work to do with it today. I'm not too entirely sure if it's going to go under its own power. I got a can of ether here. This Mark's premium starting fluid. This ether. Why don't you just love it? My case just shattered, but gosh darn it. I'm trying to do something with the GoPro that I shouldn't have, but yeah. Guess I'm not going to give them the case to aid in starting this backhoe. Okay, the oil's good. I'm going to try and start this thing. So what had happened was this case just cracked. So I guess Christmas is coming, but I had you guys setting up here and it fell and hit the concrete. So I feel kind of bad that it cracked, but you know, at least I can still save the bottom part, the mount, and just hopefully, you know, get the case and that. So if you guys enjoy this video, which I didn't, because now I gotta buy a new case, but that's what you get for trying to make YouTube videos. Yeah, take chances. So we'll talk to you guys later.